11,753 PCR studies were conducted in the country for the past 24 hours and 1,398 new cases of COVID-19 were registered. The Deputy Minister of Health and Social Development, Jalaliddin Rahmatullayev, reports. In Bishkek, 773, in Osh, 67, in the Chuy region, 177, in Osh region, 73, in Talas region, 11, in Narun region, 15, in the Sakul region, 52, in Jalalabad region, 111, and in Patken region 119. In total, 143,668 cases were registered for the entire period. During the day, 1,037 patients recovered from the virus, but 10 died. Among medical staff, 56 people registered with COVID-19 for the past day. There are 4,675 patients on stationary treatment. It is specified that 1,358 of them are in heavy, 228 are in extremely heavy condition. There are 14,952 patients on outpatient treatment.